Hi guys, a very good day to all of you. I just want to share my experience of my 10-year-old MacBook Pro running macOS MONTERY, and actually the battery runs 1,000 cycle, and according to Apple Corporation, the battery only lasts for 1,000 cycles, and my battery actually exceeds 1,000. To be exact, is 1,254 cycles. But yet this battery has another 2 hours life of working for me. But I decided to change it, and so that it will have a new life. So I did not show you how to open, but here's the back of my MacBook Pro. And yeah, I also changed my HDD to SSD, and I'm planning to change the RAM, and now I want to change the battery. So I bought online a battery which is A grade, and it has two free tools on it. So after changing the battery, I closed the back of the MacBook, and I want to show you again the difference between it. And actually, this MacBook Pro is 10 years old and running a macOS Monterey. It's supposed to be a macOS Catalina, but I use Open Core Legacy Patcher to do that, to run on macOS Monterey. So now after changing it, I will show you that the battery report has 2 cycles, which means it's a very new, and I hope that it will give me a longer time of working. And thank you very much for watching.